Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift. Let's take a walk around this 2016 Toyota three-wheel electric cushion forklift. Model number 8FBE18U, ID number E003423. Now this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. And this forklift has low hours, just over 1,700 hours, so this is a great truck. It has a base capacity of 3,500 pounds, and it runs on a 36-volt battery. You'll see there that it has three-way hydraulics with that automatic tilt level button. While we're on this side, I'll show you that it has a clipboard holder as well as your drop-down cup holder. Now coming up here to the mast, this is a three-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 189 inches, and it has your hang-on side shift. This forklift has 42-inch standard tapered forks, and looking at these tires, these are black smooth cushion tires that are in fantastic shape. Like I said, it's a low-hour truck, so pretty much everything's in great shape. We also have these headlights here up on the front. Coming inside, you'll see that we have fully adjustable steering column, and we also have this brand new fully adjustable full suspension seat. And coming back here to the back, we have that yellow strobe, and one of my favorite features, the backup chime. It's like a little song. This is our three-wheel model, as I mentioned, and it's one of our most popular models because it has a very tight turning radius. It might be perfect for your warehouse application. Now, if you have any questions or you'd like to demo this truck or you're just ready to give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449 or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available as well as other features that you need to know about.